Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer. Today we are doing an upper body workout using just one dumbbell. I've selected a 10-pounder. You can select something that is a light to medium weight for you. Let's start by hammer curling it up to our shoulders and then pressing it up overhead, bringing it back down, extending the arms, and repeating. My exhale is as I'm bringing the weight up, and then I can inhale as I bring it down or when I hit the bottom. Let's do 2 more of these. And then we're gonna go into front raises. So keeping the elbows straight, lift this up to shoulder height, control it on the way back down. Up to shoulder height, control it on the way back down. I'm gonna turn sideways. There's no need to bring this any higher than your shoulders on this movement. And make sure you're not just swinging it up. You're really controlling it on the way down and up, not using momentum. Couple more seconds and then we're gonna bring it behind our head. 3, 2, 1. Bring it on up. It's behind my head. I'm keeping my elbows close to my face as I straighten the arms out in a tricep extension. Woo, and now I'm definitely feeling those arms. They are working. It's only been a very short amount of time. This is an effective workout. We're gonna keep this weight up above our heads and go around the world in 3, 2, 1. Bring it to the side, to the front, other side, around to the back. Reverse that in your round the world. And then you can make it a more smooth circle, a smoother circle. Make sure you're changing direction every time you get back to the front of your body. And let's repeat that all over again. We curl up, press overhead, bring it back down. We're just doing 1 more of these. I'm making this a really efficient 5-minute upper body workout. Keeping it at that 5 minutes, keeping it with just 1 dumbbell is one way to make fitness accessible to more people. That's what I'm all about. That's what all of my workouts are about on my channel. Get ready for those front raises. Keep the elbows straight. We raise it up to shoulder height. Control it on the way down. If you're liking this workout, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to my channel for more workouts that are accessible to more bodies. We got 15 more seconds on these front raises. Let's try and pause, bring it back down. Yeah, there you go. Pause at the top, bring it back down. I was getting a little momentum-y on these. Okay, then bring it up and over. Here we go for tricep extension. Elbows squeeze in towards my face. I'm trying to not let them flare out. Same thing goes for your rib cage. We're not letting it flare out. We're keeping the ribs pulled down and back towards your spine. Okay, arms are on fire right now. Perfect, it's exactly what we wanted. I'm also in a staggered stance that helps me keep my ribs over my hips. Okay, here we go, round the world. Bring it to the front, side, behind you, and around to the front. Reverse that. Big circle. And try to keep those elbows in close around your head. Kind of accessing every position we've been in today. Oh, we're almost there. Very short, very effective workout. And set your dumbbell down. Let's do a quick stretch. Bring one arm across your body, pull it into your chest for a shoulder stretch. Give yourself a little thank you for making time for movement today. Other arm comes across and pulls in. Workouts don't have to be super long. If 5 minutes is what you have, then that's great. Good for you. Last one, grab those hands behind you. Try to stretch them out away from your body. Big chest stretch and release. Thank you for making time for yourself today. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.